Timing is very important because when they call, they usually want you now, so you have to have your equipment ready. If you're not ready, they will look for another custom operator.
We're visiting Robert Yancey today. He's been going non-stop from farm to farm. He had 17 silos to fill in a week's time. So let me know then in the morning what time you're going to be ready for us. They're trying to get the optimal out of the crops right now, and that's why he's busy. And we're going to go find him.
My name is Robert Yancey. I'm from Wellesley, Ontario, Canada, and I do custom farming. About 5 years ago, we were milking cows. We went out of that. Since we went out of the cows, we started custom work to the full extent, and 95% of my work is for the Mennonites. Most of them have 100-acre farms, and they would farm with horses, so they get their work done custom, and that is where I come in. We do everything from cultivating, planting, baling, self-propelled harvester, plowing. You have to be ready to go and be there when they call. I've been with Massey all my life. My dad had it. The reason I stayed with Massey was service and dependability. I just bought this 8730S this fall. We do big square baling with this tractor. We do cultivating. We have a 38-foot sunflower cultivator we pull with it. Today I'm using the tractor on a trailer. We are putting corn silage away.
So the 8730S offers an OptiRide Plus cab suspension for a comfortable ride in the field and on the road.
It's just a smoother ride.
8.4 liter EcoPower engine, which is good on fuel. A Datatronic 5 display, which is all touch screen.
For the fuel usage on my Masseys, I've been very impressed. They use very little. Some days I'm in the tractor 18, 20 hours. It is very comfortable in the tractor. A large cab, easy to see out.
With the controls, with the ISOBus and the Hey Boss all being on there, a little larger screen, and you can see more. And with the joystick to control the pickup and PTO and hydraulic functions all right there.
How I get work is word of mouth. Uptime in machinery is very important because if you're broke down, you can't go, then you lose out on opportunity.
The biggest thing is the demand for the customers to get their field work done in a short period of time. That's why the Massey fit his needs. It's got a wide range of horsepower, and it fit what he was looking for.